Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have been playing around with some little cruddy-duddy binoculars in the past, and so I figured, hey, why don't I give myself a better shot at seeing things with some better binoculars? So I picked up these ones here. They're still not the most fancy of binoculars, but should be able to do better than some of those little childish ones that I had before. So these are BNISE professional binoculars. So let's check these out and see how they look. This is what the box looks like here. Down here is what it looks like there. So before it gets too dark out, let's open this up and check it out. So here we go. We have the manual and a little cleaning cloth. And then here's the binoculars with a little Velcro close. This is going to be the strap, I think, for this. And then here's the binoculars. What else is in there? Another cleaning cloth. Oh, there's the strap. The strap is here. Oh, this is going to be the strap for the binoculars themselves. So we'll get two cleaning cloths. Okay. These two. Weird. Okay. And so let's open this up and check it out. So this is what it looks like here. It looks like a lot bigger and better than some of my other ones here. And it's got the little covers for this side and the little covers that, oh, this one here just flip open and stay open. So let's see how it works. We have a little rotating thing here for the focus. And let's see, do we have any kind of adjustment for, yes, we can adjust it this way to get it further and closer for the eyes. So let's, wow, that's really close. So now I am focusing in on my left eye and my right eye. Oh, it's actually already focused. It does have the little rotations here, so you can get a little bit of more comfort and distance on that. But I see really good. I can see I'm looking at my neighbor's house. Let's look at some trees over here and see what we see. Wow, this is a really nice binocular. This is way better than any of the stuff I've used before. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see through here to see anything. Just, nah, it's not going to want to focus. Well, I'm not going to be able to give you guys a view of it, but I'm just going to have to explain it. So on my other ones, it would be, I could only have like one side focus, but this one here, you focus this, and then you can, with the left eye, and then you can focus this to continue it on with the right eye. And then you get to just look through it, and it's super duper crazy close. Let me see if I can screw it in. Does it make it less? No. It's just very good. And I'm looking at everything. I see the light poles. I see houses way out in the distance. So this is a very nice set of binoculars. So I'm going to say these ones are really cool. Let's see what this here looks like. So this is the strap. Oh, and it's got a nice padding to it, like kind of neoprene. So when you're wearing it, it's not going to dig into you because it'll have that. That's really cool. So I'm going to say that's nice. And I'll connect that up with the straps here in a minute. But very cool. So this is it. And it comes with these nice little covers here. These little covers here, I guess when you have the strap on it, it'll connect up to that. So it'll stay on without falling all over. So I'm going to say these are very nice. These are great. I'm going to keep these around. Probably use them here in the backyard to be looking at the birds when they're over there. I don't see anything out there now, but we do get hawks and eagles. So very cool. So thumbs up from me on these ones here. So definitely pick up a pair of them. Thumbs up, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.